Psych, nigga, y'all thought we was dead, bruh. Back with another video. Alright, guys, so we're back, you know. It's been a while. I'm visiting from Canada, so, you know, come out some more videos. We're gonna try to keep the uploads constant now, but, you know, no promises, but still, we're gonna try. Alright, anyway, so, yeah, I just forgot all the shit I was gonna say.
No, exactly.
Okay, what else was I gonna say?
I don't know, man. Nice.
Okay, anyway, but yeah, also shout out real quick to, we just made another channel, you know, so if you guys are into anime and manga like that, yo, we're gonna be posting different stuff on there, you know, discussion videos.
It's called Zuxkai. We're gonna have a link in the description.
Yeah, we'll have
I'm pointing to the bottom of the video if you can't tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's somewhere around.
Go check that out.
Yeah.
If you're in anime and stuff, you know, we're gonna start posting a lot on that. So, you know, we're gonna do discussion videos. What else we're gonna do?
We can do a little bit of gameplay and a lot of theoreticals. That's kind of what it is. But yeah, that's what's gonna be happening. So
if you already did that, go check that out. So anyway, today we got these bad boys. We're gonna be fixing these up.
Actually, this is from the plug and the only plug, X. Thank you for supplying us with these, cause why not? But as you can see, this guy, he does what he does best. He beats shoes. Anyways, so what we're gonna do today is basically we're gonna deep clean them as we usually do, and we're actually gonna teach all of y'all that are curious how to un-yellow boost, because I know that's very meticulous to do. And we're actually going to show y'all how to make it almost brand new. Actually, I'm pretty confident we can make it brand new. But yeah, so let's get into it.
You know, Flash Brethren, let's go.
Alright guys, we're back in the famous bathroom where we're going to be working on these. We have all of our materials and stuff that we need. Also, we're going to be using the bleaching method today. If y'all don't remember, we're going to be using that just to try to make these as wide as possible. And you know, after that, we're going to be throwing them in the washing machine. So let's clean them. That's right, you don't even know what's gonna happen, huh? You want some? You want some? That's right, we're back in there, boys. We're back at it with the washing machine for sure. And you know, we do the same thing now. And yeah, we're gonna get this detergent, you know, put some in there and wash the shoes and let them air dry. So we'll show you them afterwards.
Okay, so guys, so first we're gonna be prepping the boost with the cotton balls, and we'll be putting acetone on there. And then next, after that, we'll be doing this, putting this pin on it to help whiten the boost. It's oil based, you get it fuck. Okay, it's hold on. Okay, then we'll be getting using this to whiten the boost. It's oil based, you can get it at Hobby Lobby.